harder one. You might not know, and that's okay.
11.
Alright, so hydrogen peroxide. Each molecule of hydrogen
Okay
peroxide.
guys, today we're going to be doing like this in the other project, as long as we did with the other video. But I guess if like you turn your phone off and put it in your pocket, then obviously it's going to stop the video and you can't unpause it. So yeah, I had to make another video about this project, but this one's going to be pretty
And
cool.
so I'm going to do a little chemical reaction that breaks this apart and turns it into, well, do you know what
So I'm
water?
just going to wait till he's done like explaining all the things that's what's going to happen. And then once he gets the project ready, like he's getting ready, I'll unpause the video and let you guys see the rest, okay?
Now I got to clean this up a little bit. Extra bonus,
Okay, so I
any of you
guess
know
he's
the
going to get ready
concentration
and
of
start
hydrogen
doing it
peroxide
now.
you can
Okay,
buy
so
from the store?
let's see how it does.
And it's not pure hydrogen peroxide, it's still a bunch of water, right?
But remember to check out St. Mary's College. Maybe go through
So
and
it's
do whatever
3%
you
you
feel
can
like.
buy from the store.
I
And the
mean,
nice
it's
thing
pretty
about
good
being
school.
a chemist
I
is that
mean,
you can buy 30%
I was gonna make a vlog
hydrogen
about like
peroxide.
how they give you
That's
lunch
cool.
here.
So,
What you moving in?
alright, I'm going to throw a little bit of this in here and we'll just see what it does first. There we go. Which is that? There we go. And I would love it if you could all take a big step back. Yeah, there we go.
We took like 10.
Okay. Alright, so it's just hydrogen peroxide. I put it in this graduated cylinder, it's called, because it'll make it a little easier to see. And then, okay, I'm going to add this potassium iodide that makes that chemical reaction go fast.
It's a bomb.
And it's very similar to the volcano you may have seen with the vinegar and the baking soda, right? Because both of those reactions release a gas and do something like this, right? If you put too much in, it hits the ceiling, right? And I try to avoid, splattering you all with iodide. Okay, but when you're doing a demonstration for some fun people, you gotta make it look cool, right? So that was the chemistry, and now this is the showmanship. So what if we put some soap in here?
Cool.
Oh, my bottle of soap is
I mean,
face.
I like this. I mean, that project, you just filmed up and shot at
Thanks.
people. And yeah, now he's gonna do another project. He's getting ready for it right now. I'm gonna let you guys see this. So
And then
I don't know which guy's time.
hydrogen peroxide.
I'm here with my classmates here too.
Oh, what was my recipe? 20 milliliters. Okay. You can imagine that I tested this a little bit to make sure it wasn't going to hit the ceiling. So as much fun as that would be, it'd not be fun to clean up. Okay, so I just put some soap in here, right? What happens when you swirl soap around? You get bubbles, right? And then these bubbles can trap a gas, and hey, this reaction produces a gas. That's kind of cool. Now I'm just trying to dissolve the soap in here. I thought about preparing this and having it all ready to go before you got here, but then it would just be like movie magic, so I like to show you what goes into it.
Are you gonna put vinegar in there?
I don't need vinegar, actually. And then it's just going to smell even worse in here. We wanted to smell worse. How are we doing on time? Oh, we're doing okay. Okay. So, the other thing is, well, let's put some colors in here. That'd be cool. Coloring.
Food color.
Alright, we got some blue.
That just looks scary.
Green.
Put some red.
Oh, we're gonna try to do this.
That was yellow.
Oh yeah.
Someone's phone goes off in the middle of nowhere.
Oh my god,
it's gonna blow up.
That was better look good, right?
Cool. Okay, now you
You add something and then something happens.
trying to make a big boom boom.
It's gonna go
He's trying to make a big boom boom.
toothpaste.
It's going like a boom
Ooh,
boom.
you know.
Everybody be careful of the explosion.
Alright, are we ready?
Yeah. Can we touch it? Can we touch it? No. Oh wait, no, it looks hot. It looks hot.
Yeah, it looks hot.
It's lava!
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool though. That is really cool.
Oh my gosh! Once, sorry.
I think I was watching this show. And then this one kid, he did it. It smells so good now.
It smells good!
Elephants use this
So we saw some things. You saw it looked hot. What made you think it looked hot?
What's the white gas?
You saw some steam, right? Yeah, so it definitely released heat. A lot of chemical reactions.
Hey, Carlos, get out the way. Move, Carlos.
Alright, step back, please. So I don't want you to touch it for a couple reasons, right? One, it's a little hot, and two, the iodine will stain your finger, and then that's not cool to send you home with black hands, right? So please don't touch it, but you can look. And it was just the same reaction we did here. I just added some soap and some food coloring, right, to make it look cool.
What if it went up, we would have to add?
I mean, so if you want to make it go bigger, you put more reaction, more of the hydrogen peroxide in, and it would make a bigger reaction, right?
If you put it all,
If you put it all, yeah, you're hitting the ceiling and then splattering everybody, right?
you try doing that for a bomb.
Okay.
Why didn't it splatter when it hit the ground?
How do you make acid?
How do you make acid? I don't know. I buy it from the store, actually. All right, so you can go back to where
So I'll probably come back later, and yeah. So I'll probably come back and let you guys see later. So okay. So I guess we might do a different project or something.
Move out of the way.
Well, I should have.
No.